like the most intimidating task ever. I really despise doing my hair. Well, not even doing my hair. Braiding. I really despise braiding my hair. Hey y'all. So today we're going to be doing knotless braids. So this will be a sped through video. However, at some point I will slow it down and put it in real time so you guys can see the method that I use to do knotless braids. So I am a hairstylist. I'm not the perfectest, bestest braider, but I am a hairstylist, so I do know how to braid. I do know how to feed in hair. So I'm gonna show you the method that I personally use on my head. This is my first time doing these to achieve knotless braids. So yeah, if you would like to see how I achieve the look, stay tuned. So before we get started, I just want y'all to see how I am sectioning off my hair. So I'm just taking about like the same thickness, width of hair, whatever you call it. I'm taking about the same amount of piece of hair and I'm laying it across my bathroom sink, just so that they're readily available as I'm doing the braid, because as you guys know, you are feeding the hair into the braid. So it's better to just have that hair already sectioned out for you to use. So all you gotta do is grab and braid, grab and braid. But as y'all can see, I got a few rows done and I am doing the knotless method. And that's why I said while I finish these braids, I guess I'm just gonna come to y'all and let y'all watch me finish up braiding my hair. So, okay, y'all, this is what we're working with. I done sectioned off this little top part right here, which I don't know if y'all can really see, because I need to at least get the front of my head done. I have somewhere to go. So yeah, I got somewhere to be, and I need to at least get the front of my head done so I can put it in a ponytail. So I got some clips of me braiding, but I'm not sure how good they are, so we're gonna try again with me showing y'all how I do it on this side, if I can film it. If not, I apologize, y'all. I'm gonna try to talk through this one, through this side, if I can. I'm trying to move fast too, because like I said, I got somewhere to go. So let's try this side. So you take your piece of hair, you're gonna section it off into 3 sections, because with these knotless braids, the reason they're not is because you start off with your real hair. Braid, hair, feed it in between your pointer finger, and keep braiding. Maybe like, I'll braid another stitch, just one more, and then I feed in my next piece of hair. 1, 2, and then I just 1 stitch before I braid in the next piece of hair. And I only feed in 3 pieces of hair from the hair that I showed y'all that I had pre-sectioned off earlier. And then I just braid down normally. So like y'all just saw, when I'm feeding the hair in, when I'm doing it, I braid 1 time, 1 stitch, one passover, whatever you want to call it, one braid. I braid 1 time, 1 stitch before I feed hair in. So I start my own hair. I braid about 1 to 2 stitches, not an inch down, not a half an inch, because the braid seems tighter to me and it seems like it's more secure. When you first start braiding and you start with your hair and you braid only that 1 stitch and then you add the hair, it seems more secure to me, just because then you have this piece of synthetic hair, or you have a piece of hair, this hair, that's sitting right up against your scalp that's holding the braid together. So once your hair starts to grow out and stuff like that, at least I've told you this is my first time doing it, so at least in my mind, what I would think is it would allow the braid to last longer, because you still kind of started off with a piece of hair. But this side is looking like that. Like y'all saw before, I'm using nail glue, only because these have to last me. These have to last me at least a month, because I'm doing these braids because I have a busy month. So y'all, I am back and I'm almost done. So I did get the front of it done. I told you I had to run some errands and do some stuff. I did my errands, did my stuff, and look how far I got. So now we are on the very last row, if y'all can see that. And I'm gonna try one more time to demonstrate. If it works, it works. If not, I'm sorry. finally done, y'all. I'm finally done. I haven't dipped the ends or anything like that yet. I'm gonna show y'all. You know, after I dip the ends, I just put on a pot of boiling hot water. And all you do is you just take the ends of the hair, dip them in the water, put them out, pat them dry. Dip the ends, and I am done, guys. So let me show y'all the back. How long it is. I am so pleased with how these turned out. Like, come on. Like, I'm surprised myself. I did not think that I was capable of doing these braids, but together we see that I am. So yeah, come back after I dip the ends. Guys, I'm back. I dipped the ends. And this is how the ends are looking once they are dipped. Because I know my scalp is dry, I'm just gonna go through with this hair food